Hey, what's up guys? It's Lem here again, your tech guide. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are going to be checking out the Ringke Bezel styling for your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. This is the one that I've ordered. They do have other ones as well. And let's check this out and see what it looks like. So the one I've got here, this is the 42mm. They do have other different sizes and different colors and different design as well. So let's open this up and put this on and see what it looks like. Okay, so there you go. This is what you get inside the package. Your bezel styling and nothing else. So if you guys are wondering if the Active 2 bezel styling works for the Classic or the Watch 4, the answer is no. So they do have actual different sizes for the bezel. You want to make sure that you have the right bezel size because it's not going to work. I already tested it out with my with my previous Active 2 watches. It didn't work at all. So anyways, this is what you get. There you go, the bezel styling. This is the design that I got. Okay, and on the back you do have your double-sided tape, which should last you for many months. Okay, so let's peel the tape on the back and just stick it on to the bezel. Make sure you have it aligned. Okay, once you know you have it aligned, all you need to do is just push it down to make sure that the sticker will be sticking on your bezel. Okay, so there you go. And there you have it. So that's what it looks like, guys, with the bezel styling. Of course, you can still move it around, no problem, navigate through it. Okay. And if you want to check out the side, there you go. Check how the side fits. Fits very well. There she is. All right, so just a quick video with the bezel styling. If you guys are interested, the link will be down below. And what I think about it, it looks pretty good. It looks really good. And it just brings out a different look of your watch. And of course, you do have extra protection now on your bezel. And if you want to make it super protection, or if you want to give your Watch 4 Classic more protection, all you need to do is just add a tempered glass screen protector on the screen display and you should be good to go. So there you have it, guys. Let me put this on my wrist. Okay, so there you go. That's what it looks like on my wrist. So there you have it, guys. Once again, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.